Oh my god, hey!
Yeah, mommy, Kiara. Okay.
I missed
Water.
you!
I missed you too. Okay, for the opening, I have a little song.
Oh my god!
Happy birthday, Mommy Kiwawa. Have a wonderful one. May all your wishes and dreams come true. I love you. I love you.
I have tears in my eyes. Oh,
No.
my sweet child. You're the best child. You're so cute. I love your singing voice so much, Kobo. Kobo, choose a number between 1 to 6.
From what to what? Sorry.
I have a deja vu. Fun fact, in Australia, we only have the grades 1 to 5, and in Germany, they have the grades 1 to 6.
Where's the rest of them? Where's 3, 4?
Eh?
1, 2, 6? 1, 2, 5? 2, 3? Eh? You didn't say 3, 4!
A number from 1 to 6.
1, 2, 6?
Yeah.
Oh, 1, 2, 6. 5.
Okay. Oh my god. If you could travel with Kiara, which country would you go to? Where would you wanna go with Mommy Kiwawa?
You know that place that full of ice? What is that? Antarctica?
Antarctica? There's other places that are snowy and cold. We don't have to go that far up.
Okay.
You want to see a place of snow?
Yeah. Because we don't have snow here in Indonesia, right?
We also have a lot of snow in Austria, in my country. We go skiing and snowboarding and all that.
Skiing. Yeah. Skiing. 面白い.
Yes. If you come in like February, then we have lots of fluffy snow.
Wow.
Yeah, and we won't die from the cold like in Antarctica. That's a little bit too cold, I think.
Wow. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have good snow. Yes. We can also go. Where else in Europe? Maybe like I don't know, Finland, or I think Finland maybe has good snow. I'm not sure.
Finland?
Yeah, I think so. Finland has really great winters, and Norway as well. So Scandinavia.
I don't know, but okay.
You don't know? I'll take you with me. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
It's like, you know, when we were a child, our mommy would plan the vacation, and we would just come along. Yeah, don't think about anything. You just come along. I'll take you. Don't worry. Have you seen? Do you know the Northern Lights?
Northern Light?
Yeah. Wait, maybe Northern Lights Indonesian.
No friend.
No friends.
No friend.
Cahaya
Utara.
Cahaya Utara.
Utara. Do you know?
Utara. Cahaya Utara. Aurora.
Yeah, we can see them in Norway and Finland, I think. Oh, yeah. It's really beautiful.
Yeah. I really want to see Aurora.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Let's take a photo in front the aurora.
Okay. Oh, I wonder if we can capture that so well. We have to try. Let's give it a try. Also, I think next week we will play Portal 2 again, right?
Play together again. Finally, we continue.
Yeah,
again.
sorry, Mommy Kiwawa was very busy.
It's okay.
I'm going to die.
It's okay.
I'm going to die. She's
Yeah.
so cute. Holy
It's
shit.
okay. Take your time.
Okay, Kubo, I love you.
I love you too, Mommy Kiwawa. Okay, as an ending, I will sing it again.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Mommy Kiwawa. Have a wonderful one. May all your wishes and dreams come true. I love you.
I love you too. Oh my god. If you don't go now, I'll die of a heart attack. You have to go.
Okay, bye-bye. Adios.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. All these children are too cute.